morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our first golden ticket assembly of the year. Yes, we are here. We've had a whole week back and you have been amazing, every single one of you. But it's Friday, 10th September, we're here for reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB. And the teachers have chosen the child in each of the class who has just been amazing from day 1, right the way through it. And they have a brilliant start to their new classes, but brilliant right the way through school, whether they're on the playground, whether they're in the dinner hall, wherever they are, they have been amazing every single day. So really well done to all of these children, you absolute superstars. We're going to kick off this morning with reception. Have a look, here we go. In Miss McTavish's class, here we go. Our golden ticket winner has settled beautifully into reception and his new school, Mile Cross Primary. They have lovely manners and work very hard in every class and every lesson they do. And here, lovely manners. They don't cost anything, those. It's amazing to have lovely manners, so really well done. To this winner, it is Quinn. Here he is, look at that, Quinn, look. Absolute super, big smile on his face. Really well done, Quinn. Keep it up, buddy. It's really proud of you. Well done on earning your first golden ticket at Mile Cross Primary School. Look after this and keep it in a safe place. Really well done. And you'll be taking this home with you today. You superstar, well done. Moving on, here we go. We've got Miss Ruffles' class. Look, for a fantastic first week in reception and first week in school. It's amazing, these children, their first week back in school. It's brilliant. This child is incredibly polite and has settled in brilliantly. And again, we talk about polite, we talk about manners, we talk about being kind and saying please and thank yous. It is brilliant to see these children using it. So well done. Golden ticket goes to, here he is, Logan. Well done, buddy. That big smile on your face just makes Mr. Allen smile. Really well done, buddy. Taking this home and keeping it in a really safe place at home as well. So really well done for your first week at Mile Cross Primary School, you superstar. Everyone will be giving you a big cheer now, so well done. Moving on. Let's have a look, here we go. Look, Miss Marshall, look at Miss Marshall, look. This child has won the golden ticket because I've been so impressed with how hard they've worked this week in every single lesson. Amazing. That transition from reception up into year 1 is absolutely brilliant. Golden ticket goes to, look, here we go, Toby. Look at that. Toby, big smile on your face. Well done, but really well deserved. Well done on earning the first golden ticket in year 1, you superstar. I know there'll be many more to follow throughout your time at Mile Cross Primary School, so well done, and take this home with you today. Well done, buddy. Moving on. Here we go. Look, Mr. Ackerman. This child has had a fantastic first week in year 1. She is a great listener and has shown a fantastic attitude to learning. She's worked hard in all of the first week activities and been an excellent role model to others, which is fantastic. This week's golden ticket goes none other than Jessica. There she is. Look, big smile on her face. Well done, Jessica. You absolute superstar. Really well deserved. Just keep it up. Keep being a brilliant role model for everyone else, because then if others copy you, who knows, they could win the golden ticket. So taking this home with you today, so really well done. Huge congratulations. I'm so proud of you, and keep it up. Thank you. Moving on to year 2. Look, Miss Begum, year 2. Look, this child has had a brilliant start to year 2. They have settled in well, worked really hard with their learning and have been helpful around class. Now everyone please, in year 1, year 2, so please just keep helping out, help tidying up, because that's exactly what we want children to be doing, so really well done. Golden ticket goes to, there's Crystal. Look at Crystal, look, big smile on your face. And I've seen her maths as well this week. She's been sent to me with her maths because it is amazing. So really well done. She's earned herself a house point. Well done. Your golden ticket. Please, you keep it in a very safe place. Take this home today. Mum and Dad are going to be so proud of you. Really well done, Crystal, you superstar. Moving on. Miss Hall says, our golden ticket this week goes to someone who's worked so hard this week and comes to school every day with a smile on her face. Keep up the great work. Sapphire, there she is. Look at that. Well done, Sapphire, with her maths as well. Really well done. What a fantastic first week ever. Golden ticket. You absolute superstar. Let's keep that up. Keep being really positive. Well done. Keep that in a really proud place at home. I know everyone at home will be cheering you as well. So well done, Sapphire, you superstar. Moving on. Finally this week, we've got the SRB. And Mr. Hardman says, the winner this week has overcome their nerves and settled back brilliantly into class. Because it can be a bit nervous on those first few days, but they've been brilliant. They've been trying their best since day 1, and I've been concentrating very hard. They've also been playing some great games with their friends and sharing and taking turns, which is superb. Golden ticket goes to Freya. There she is. Look at Freya, look. Settled back in well, look, playing with friends. Look at her working so hard. Really well done, Freya, you little superstar. Taking this home with you today. So really well done. I know everyone will be giving you a huge cheer in the SRB. So really well done. Thank you. Right. What a brilliant first week. What a brilliant first week. Well done to all of our golden ticket winners. If it wasn't you, don't worry. Just keep copying these children. Keep working as hard as you possibly can. Who knows, next Friday, it could well be you. Okay, so really well done. And thank you, everyone, for a brilliant start back. It has been fantastic. Finally, just this weekend, look. Little message just from Mr. Allen, look. Make up a story and share it. So tell someone a story, make up a story and share it and talk to each other about it, because it'd be really lovely. Maybe you can build on some stories and we'll hear about those after the weekend. Also here, talk about your favourite thing. Let's do lots of talking about favourite things. Let's really have lots of talking this weekend with each other. Turn those devices off, turn those TVs off, and really have a nice chat with everyone at home. And finally here, look, for you children, tidy your room. Parents, bit of an order there. Come on, after first week back, they're going to be a little bit tired, I know, but I know those rooms are probably a little bit untidy. I know my children are, so let's get them tidying their rooms this weekend as well. So, until next week, everyone, have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you all on Monday. Bye-bye now.